Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. We are certified Zoho partners dedicated to helping business streamline their accounting with Zoho Books. If you are looking for expert guidance or implementation support, please feel free to connect with us. In today's video, we will explore the settings module in Zoho Books. This is where you configure your organization's preferences, tailor Zoho Books to your business needs, and set up all the behind the scenes options that make your accounting smooth and efficient. To assess settings, click on the top right gear icon. All the options under sessions are broadly grouped into organization settings, module settings, extension, and developer data. Organization settings are global settings that apply to your entire Zoho Books organization. They define the backbone of how your account is set up. The key sessions includes organization, users and roles, setup and configuration, etc. While module settings, these are the preferences specific to each modules like invoices, purchases, expenses, bills, etc. They let you customize how trans then mention and developer data, and in which the sections are includes integration marketplace, then the fields or settings for developer data, etc. While going into organization settings, you can see all the basic settings related to your organization like organization name, mail ID, contact number, address, then regarding branches, warehouses, brands, subscription, all this comes under the organization. Then under users and roles, you can create a role to assign to your staffs, and we have already discussed all this in detail session. All the tax related settings are basically done under taxes and complaints like GST number and other details are added in under this settings, and all the GST rates all are updated under the settings. Next, we have setup and configuration, where we have the option to provide the migration data, set up the opening balances, then all the settings related to the customer and mentor portals, the basic currencies are created, all those are set up or created under setup and configuration settings. Then all the invoice templates, creation of reporting tags, then creation of content for email notifications, SMS notifications, all the settings related to those notifications. Then regarding all the settings of digital signature, all those comes under customization. And we have the option of automation, like we can set the workflow through workflow rules, actions, and we can automate some of the process under Zoho Books using this automation area. Next, when we go to the module settings, all the general settings like creation of customer vendors, and if we have to add any field or customize any field other than the default fields provided by Zoho Books, then all the item related specific fields, all those are maintained under module settings general option. Then all the item related tasks or basic setups are done under inventory, where you can manage the units of measurements, pick list, all such like stock counts, all those are managed under inventory. Then there are two separate setting bars for sales and purchase, where you can customize field for invoices, codes, or expenses or bills, and all the basic settings. For example, for invoices, you can set whether you have to allow editing after sending the invoice. Likewise, all the basic settings for invoices, sales order, all the features related to the sales module are done under this sales. All other features related to purchases or expenses are done under purchase section. Then these are the general modules we have, like we have item module, then we have banking module, sales, purchase, and the settings for payments, online payments, like payments from our customers and payments to the vendors are basically managed under online payments. Then rather than while upgrading to the plans modules, so the newly customized module, or to create a new module that are not default by Zoho Books, can be created and managed under custom modules. These are the basic settings of Zoho Books. Hope you understand. So in module settings, it is basically for individual transaction module, while organization settings affect the entire system. So hope you all got an idea on settings. Thank you. See you in the next video.